Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Vienna, Austria, and I'm going to the other Flakturm. I did the round one. I'm going to go to the square one now and show you what that one looks like, and I'll drone it too so you can see it. Somebody mentioned that they wanted to see on top of the square one, so I figure, what the heck, we'll do that one too. But it should be popping up into my view any second now. I'll get it there, and it's in a park. Oh, there it is. See it up there? And so it's pretty neat. I mean, they're enormous buildings. Obviously for offense. Now look at, so see this park here? I mean, it's a pretty amazing park. Let's just go through the shrubbery, shall we? And see where this takes us. And I'm sure it's going to take us right out at the square Flakturm. So the Flakturms, there's 3 of them in Vienna, Austria. I've shown you the round one. We're going to go do the square one today. And I don't have any idea where the 3rd one is. But I think this one actually even had paintings on the outside. I don't know. I saw something about a, what do they call those things where you paint up murals on the side of a building? And I don't know. We'll see. But it's a gorgeous little park. I mean, really big. But it's got dog parks and kitty parks and people in it and all sorts of things. And there's our Flakturm right up there. So you can see how big it is. And this was an ammunition thing, like an anti-aircraft munition site and gunnery site and, you know, missile site for way back when, I guess. I don't know, during World War II at some point. And I don't know, I'd have to go back and read this stuff, but I'll capture everything I can. And then I'll do a drone over it too. And you can see that one. Let's see, and out we come. Oh my gosh. Huge. Huge. So I think the last time I was here I went that way, so I think I'm going to go this way this time. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. I wonder if this one has a sign in front of it. I don't know. You know, they should let somebody come and paint the whole side of it. Crazy, huh? And there are tourists here, so it's pretty neat. And the park is amazing. They have kid areas where like little kids are fenced in so they can't run away. And dog parks and all sorts of stuff. So here's the Flakturm. The control tower and gun tower are just two of 6 anti-aircraft towers in Vienna. So there's 6, but I thought I read online that there were only 3 of them. But I don't know. Were built by laborers. National Socialism responsibilities. Okay, blah blah blah. So this is it. It is huge. I mean these aren't normal stories. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the top. So I would say that's at least 100 feet, 150 feet. And it's got the Mickey Mouse ears, which are kind of interesting. But now the other one was circular. This one is square. I wonder why they opted to make it different. Anyway, so this is it, and it's pretty impressive, pretty huge, and it certainly was a feat of work. And it looks like they're all poured walls, so that's pretty amazing. Yeah, what's the top look like? I guess I'm going to find out here in a minute. Let me go to the other side of it. So we'll have done the whole thing, and then I'll stop this video. I wonder if it's just too hard to get rid of it, so maybe just leave it here. Or maybe it's just a big chunk of history, huh? Yeah, amazing. Okay, everybody. Well, this is the square Flaktürm. The other one was the round Flaktürm. This is the third one, the oval Flaktürm. And then the fourth one will be Ovaltine. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. All right, that's it for me. Bye, everybody.